Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, nous parlons des adjectifs. Today, we are talking about adjectives. So remember that all adjectives need to match what and who they describe. So if the person or object is masculine, the adjective is masculine. If the person or object is feminine, the adjective is feminine. And if you are describing several people or objects, the adjective is also plural. That means that you add an S at the end. We're going to focus today on some of the irregular adjectives that you can find on page 48 of liaison. And we're going to start with adjective which ends in "eve" in English. For example, here you have the English naive, and you will see that that form does exist in French in the feminine form. Of course, there is a different accent here. That two dots on the I mean that you're going to pronounce the both vowel separately. Instead of AI, which make a sound A, you're going to pronounce naive. So it sounds almost like in English. So naive, the English form, is a feminine form in French. To make it masculine, you're going to drop the VE and you're going to transform it in F. And that sounds going to be naif. So masculine, naif, feminine, naive. And you see the plural form masculine will have the same sound, naif, naif. You just add an S. And the feminine, naive, naive, you just add an S, you don't pronounce it. For sportive or athletic, so the feminine form is sportive and the masculine form is sportif. Pluriel masculin, sportif avec un S, and feminine, sportive avec un S. So it doesn't sound like that. You need to always remember to ask yourself, who am I describing? So for example, mes amis sont sportifs. Why did I use sportif FS? Because I'm describing my friends, which are plural, masculine and plural. Look at that here. Next one is mes filles, daughters, my daughters, feminine plural, sont sportives. Who am I describing? A person, two people who are feminine and then the plural. Mes filles sont sportives. One thing which is really neat with those eve adjectives is that most of English adjective ending in eve can be turned into French. You just don't forget to change them depending on things or people that you are describing. For example, in English, competitive, and in French, you say une femme compétitive, and for feminine, and for masculine, un homme compétitif. You can talk about a dog which is aggressive, and a dog would be animals are usually masculine in French, so you will say un chien, and then you will turn aggressive to agressif, un chien agressif. For example, a decision, an explosive decision will become decision is feminine, you will say une décision explosive. Okay, so it's easy to remember. You have a lot of vocabulary available to you. Another neat thing about adjectives that can be transferred from English to French are adjectives that ends in us in English. And then to turn them into French, you just turn the us to EUX for the masculine and EUSE or EUSE for the feminine. For example, courageous in French become courageux in the masculine and in the feminine, courageuse. The plural form doesn't change because there is already an X here. So they are courageous, it will be ils sont courageux. They are courageous, if it's a bunch of female, it will be elles sont courageuses. For example, serious You see that you change the EU, the OUS into EUX for masculine. Mon ami Franck est sérieux. Mon amie Sylvie est sérieuse. Both of them will make a group which is masculine. Ils sont sérieux. Pratiquons le son. Let's practice the sound. Okay, so let's go over that, and then this one is not going to change as far as phonetics. So it's fier, 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 fier. So what will you say if you say my mother, and my mother is ma mère, is proud? How will you say that? Ma mère est fière, and that's how you're going to write it. How will you say Americans are proud? So Americans, les Américains sont fiers, and this is how you're going to write fier. Okay, we work on naive already, so naïf, naive, naïf, naive. We work on athletic or sportive, sportif, sportive, sportif, sportive. Nice, I like that word. It's gentil. It doesn't mean gentle, okay? It just means nice. Gentil, 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 gentil. No sounds different, but a lot of difference of first spelling. My brother is nice. Mon frère est gentil. I-L. Ma sœur, my sister, ma sœur est gentille. Double the L and add the E. Intellectual, a lot of words ending in al make it in French to EL instead. So it becomes intellectuel, and the sound is not going to change, but for the feminine, you double the L and you add a E. Intellectuel, 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 intellectuel. Hardworking, you have the word work in it. So here it is, travailleur, et féminin, travailleuse. Travailleur, travailleuse. Elle est travailleuse, il est travailleur. You have here use word ambitious, so change the OU as to EUX for the masculine and becomes ambitieux, ambitieuse. Same thing for courageous, OUS, courageux, courageuse. Boring, ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. I hope my little video is not boring. Elle n'est pas ennuyeuse, vidéos féminines. Happy, heureux, heureuse. Unhappy, malheureux, malheureuse. Lazy, paresseux, paresseuse. Serious, sérieux, sérieuse. Talented, talentueux, talentueuse. Practice that at home, and thank you so much for listening. Au revoir.